Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for DIY Nail Shack. Now, if you're not familiar, DIY Nail Shack is a monthly nail strip subscription. Now, they have 3 different plans. They have the adult for $9.95, they have the child for $8.75, and they have mommy and me for $9.95. This was sent to me free for review, so thank you, Deanna, for sending those to me. Now, each month, she curates nail strips based on the month, the holiday, the season, that sort of thing. Now, also, if you follow her on Instagram and you say you like certain designs that she posts, she will do everything she can to try and get those designs in your monthly pack. Now, this is being filmed on Valentine's Day, so belated happy Valentine's Day to you. I appreciate you being here. So let's go ahead and see what is in my monthly pack this month. Now, also, full disclosure, I did film this already, and like a dummy, I deleted my footage, so I had to do it again. But in the meantime, I did take advantage of these nail strips for Valentine's Day. So let's go ahead and see what she sent. Now, this was very neatly wrapped in the white tissue paper when I first received it, but I have since unwrapped it. These are the ones that I used, and I will insert a video and show you how I put these on. But first, we're going to see everything that she sent. So here they are. You get 4 sets, 1 for each week of the month. So here's this one, some roses, some dots. That nail polish is kind of shimmery, so very pretty. Here's some cute pink gingham, and some bows. And now these I thought were a little Independence Day. They are red, white, and blue butterflies. So I don't think these correspond with the month, but they're still very pretty. And then, of course, these again. They're very easy to put on. Don't be intimidated by nail strips. And I'll go ahead and insert the video here. So what I like to do first is to take my nail file and shape my nail. Shape it before you start. File it down in length if you like. Then we take our cuticle pusher and we push back all of our cuticles. Then you take your nail file on the smooth side and you remove the shine from your nails. Now, I don't have any shine on my nails. They are already buffed. So this is where I do a step a little bit different now. You don't have to do this. It's not even recommended. But I like to take a base coat and put that on my nails first. What that does is it gives the nail sticker something to hang on to other than my fingernail. I'm I'm going to put these on. Then you just start sizing it. And then you just smooth it down. Ooh, there's a protective coating on the top of it. There's usually a clear cellophane over these. Then you just take your cuticle pusher and just smooth it down. I know that that's on there. Here it is. You have to take that off too. Now it'll smooth down easier. I couldn't find it before. So then I take my little scissors and then I take this little piece and I save it so that I can punch out like little dots and stuff with a hole puncher, and I just put that right back on here, just like that. And then you take your little nail file and file off the excess. See how cute that is? And then at this point, you can put a top coat on. And make them really nice and shiny. And that's how you do that. I'm going to go ahead and speed it up, and I'm going to do all of them. So like I was saying before, I save these pieces so that if I decide to put it on, I can use these on plain nail polish to dress it up. You can take little scissors and you can cut stripes, lines, wavy lines, triangles, or like what I like to do is I like to take a hole punch and punch holes out of it. And then you can just stick it right on nail polish or even its own nail strip. And then you just top it with top coat and you're good to go, and you've designed your own nails. So I don't let these go to waste. And look, these are already lined. You can even, cut little chevrons and put on your nails. I mean, the possibilities with these scraps are endless. So that's why I keep them. And on that note, I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.